Does being that girl only mean having green smoothies, blueberry oats, fancy skincare routine? I don't think so. I think good about yourself. I got letters. Talk to myself for hours. I think that even this girl or like anybody can form their own little versions of being that girl. I was looking at my Pinterest and I saw 5 aspects that should be a part of your day in one way or the other. It does not matter. The first is nurture yourself. Second is move. Third is get creative. Fourth is engage your brain. And fifth is be social. I feel like I'm gonna start with, I think the first thing that I'm gonna do is engage my brain because I have a meeting in 12 minutes. So I think that will engage my brain in some capacity. I am about to join. Should we join? Camera off, mic off. यार ये पिंपल मेरे डिम्पल के अंदर आया था. क्या करूं मैं? I'm on time. They are late. They are late. I'm so stupid. मीटिंग कल की है और वो लेट है. The confidence, man. And मैं text कर रही हूँ. I'm in the meeting. I wish I could like put this camera on my shoulder and it will stay like this, you know. Okay. I don't know about you, but I'm too pretty to work. No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. But it's just cool. Anyways, one of the points was nurture yourself. And one thing like एकदम से बस एक चीज came to my head अपने आप. And I've never bought myself flowers. I've never had the urge also to like get flowers, but I think ये ऐसी चीज है कि it might play on my mind subconsciously, you know, a positive effect of just nurturing yourself. So, and then I think I will also get some grocery stuff. I'm done with my hair. Oh, as if मैं कुछ करती हूँ except combing. एक second, इतनी humidity हो रही है and you know that I love my perfumes. So today I'm using my Plum Body Lovin' Vanilla Caramello perfume. Remember मैंने कुछ दिन पहले I asked for recommendations for perfumes and some of you, like a lot of you actually did recommend this. So I like to moisturize before putting the perfume on. This is genuinely like the perfect vanilla scent. You just smell like a walking bakery and मेरे को तो it reminds me of you know, fresh caramel popcorn because it actually does have like salted caramel and pistachios. So I love it because it actually also does last like throughout the day. On my wrist, like, oh, and they also have like one more variant in this. It's the Plum Body Lovin' Smokin' Vanilla perfume. This is also like a vanilla scent but with a spicy twist. It has like amber and musk, so it's the perfect night fragrance. I like to apply it on my hair too. I obviously also do have a code for you. It's Mihika15 and you can shop these from plumgoodness.com or Nykaa. Let's go. Wearing these hoops so that we can go and, you know, buy ourselves flowers. Talk to myself for hours. I got lettuce. Automatically सारे बाल खराब हो गए. Now I'm looking for sauces. tourist, thankfully to rickshaw wala bhaiya. I am not even kidding. I feel like 2 times prettier because of this. The presence of this. ऐसे special feel हो रहा है. मेरे favorite, like I love white roses. Then फिर मैंने ये 2 pink, I don't know इनको क्या बोलते हैं, ये add कराए थे for you know a pop of color and obviously because of pink. And these lilies, इसमें there's a hint of purplish pink shade. पहले मैंने lilies ज़्यादा कराई थी, but then वो roses को overpower कर रहे थे. We did not want that. I swear, if you're feeling down, just go and buy a flower, like even a single flower, a rose, and you'll feel so much just good about yourself. I give these to mama. मैं lunch करने जा रही हूँ, and then multigrain tortilla wraps, this southwest dressing, red and yellow capsicum, lettuce, and इसमें green capsicum है, lemon mince. I have cut everything. Let's wrap it up. I think Mama and me saw this recipe very long back. You just make a slight cut and then roll it over in like 4 portions, and then it's like a, जैसे Taco Bell में वो नहीं होता chick star wrap. Not that I've ever had it, but I know how it looks. I don't know how our moms do it every single day, making food in the kitchen in this humidity. Wow. But now let's taste test. मजा आ गया. I have a problem. Like I physically don't allow myself to eat without watching something with it. As a team, but don't forget. I think I'm just going to be social with Vidhansh. I'm going to play badminton. दिवाली है घर में है. Oh my god. As usual, मैं रोज हारती हूँ. And I'm a sore loser. I know that about myself. In fact, नीचे ना 2 छोटे बच्चे आते हैं. आज नहीं थे because आज लेट हो गया. But 2 छोटे बच्चे आते हैं and हम रोज उनसे हारते हैं. But वो खेलते हैं, like वो सीखते हैं. तो we just need practice. Sweat is the best highlighter. This is Rare Beauty. इसमें लिटरली इतना लिक्विड है, मेरे नाक के अंदर घुस रहा है, मेरे मुंह के अंदर घुस रहा है. तो जाने क्यों जाने क्यों जाने क्यों. I'm gonna get my nails done. Neela. Snap out of it. This is a reminder that every girl, every person is on their phone. So that is also the reality, which is not shown, but you need to snap out of it. As if I'm not gonna pick up my phone in the next 5 minutes. I hate this feeling.
It's over there.
Yeah. It's still crazy to me that I fell in love with Stephen through a wall. He's just so kind and so considerate, but yet one of the most funny people that I've met.
I'm watching Love is Blind UK. I'm just so glad that the UK version is here because it's too long to wait for the US new seasons, you know. I love that for me.
Honestly, I feel closer to you today.
I feel like the love.
Can't wait to do this, but I'm nervous as well. everyone gets married thinking that they're going to get divorced. The reality is this is real life and this is forever.
I just got finished with some work and it's late, like late. So I'm sure that girl obviously sleeps early, but this girl, I don't think I need to say it. So, peace.
Sure love it.